make the lid light up.
So on this video, we're going to show you how to keep a button. So we have 2 jumper wires, a button.
And I'm going to take a jumper wire, and now I'm going to keep it in the 27, GPIO 27. And for the LED, we use GPIO 22. And now I'm going to keep it. Now I'm going to keep the button in right there, and I'm going to take the wire and keep it at the end. And in the previous video, this is the ground now, and now I'm going to keep this in the ground and keep it right over here. And I think we're ready, and we're going to show you the program. I'm going to show you the program. So I'm going to enter. Enter. So now the input is RPI, GPIO as GPIO, and input is time, and lid pin equals 22 that we did. And now we have the button pin, and it's 27, and that we did for the extension cable. And now the GPIO set mode is GPIO dot Broadcom mode. GPIO setup lid pin and GPIO out. And GPIO setup button pin and GPIO in, pull up, down, and GPIO pod up, put up. And now we're going to go. And now GPIO output is 22, and GPIO input is the button. The discipline is Control C if you want to get out. So now we're going to run the program. Control X. Python. Now you can see the lid, and now I'm going to press the button, and so I'm going to on the button, and it off, and it on back again. Let me off it again. Off, on. So I still got automatically on again, because when we press it, it stops and it on by itself. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coding Kids. See you all next time. Bye.